Welcome to Topaz eSchool video tutorials. In this video we will learn about the Manage Users feature, which allows you to add users to the Topaz eSchool software, either as administrators, teachers, or parents. This feature enables you grant access and permissions to whoever needs it. To go to the Manage Users feature, click on the avatar on the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on Manage Users. A page opens. Displayed is a table containing all users that have been added to the software. These users have access and specific permissions. To create a new user, click on the Create New User button at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up window opens. On this page, the name and contact details of the user you wish to add will be inputted. Input the name. The surname. In this tutorial, I used Acua Asanti. Add the user's email address, and his or her phone number. Next, set up his or her username. To set up a password for the user, click on the tick icon by Set Random Password. This will enable you set up a password of your choice. If you do not want the password to change on the next login, click on the tick box. In this tutorial, I chose to send an activation email. This means the individual will be notified via an email of his access to the software. This user will be active and his lockout was enabled. Next, you have to indicate the role of this user. In this tutorial, the individual is an administrator and a user. So the box by admin and user was clicked on. Finally, click on the Save button to save the user. A pop-up at the bottom right corner indicates a successful save. The newly added user will be displayed in the table. On the left side of the table is a tab called Actions. It contains sub-menus from which you can log in as a user, edit, grant permissions and even delete. To edit a user, click on Edit and make the necessary changes. To grant specific permissions to a user, click on Permissions. A list of all the pages and menus in the Topaz eSchool application will be displayed. To remove access to particular features, uncheck the boxes by the menu folders. For example, I decide not to give access to academic year to this particular user. So, I uncheck the boxes by the academic year folder. In the same way, if I choose to give access to the user, I will check the box by the folder. Next, click on the Save button to save the permissions set. In the need to delete a user, click on Delete under Actions. User will be deleted successfully. Thank you for your attention.